Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is the YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna try by all means to give you what is you guys expecting from me. I'd like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader. This is the YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis and sometimes we do go live. Actually, I should be saying every weekdays we go live. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing NASDAQ. This is our first chart. It looks messy, and this is my yesterday's predictions that today the chart will be flowing like this. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to just take a minute and look at this. Yeah, back again with Trix Walker's t-shirts. Ladies and gentlemen, this is DJ Trix Walker's t-shirt. I'm doing the advertisement here. Please support Trix Walker. It's in the mission, man. Trix Walker is in the mission. Since our country, South Africa, is now things are going back to normal day by day. I know that even the entertainment industry will be soon making those big income. Just a second, let me grab this. You know, this thing here. This laptop is always giving me or showing me flames every time when it comes the time of doing the live stream. It just goes off. I don't know, maybe I should have checked if it's plugged. Just a second, let me put it right here. We are going live. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my chart currently. I've been having this, the price has been presenting this type of structure to us. It's obviously that we are having a bullish channel. I hope you can see that we are having a bullish channel, but we don't have to forget that we shouldn't forget that our price is still on a bearish trend. I hope you guys can see that. This is our overall. Let me zoom it out. I hope you guys can still remember that we are on a bearish channel. This is our channel. Let me do it like this. So my prediction is that the price is gonna push, as you can see by this arrow right here. I'm expecting to see the price pushing towards that diagonal resistance. Not just only diagonal resistance, I'm expecting to see the price to push towards the diagonal resistance and this horizontal resistance. Previously, our support, as you can see, then we had a breakout and the price came back to retest the level, but it respected the area and it pushed towards the downside. So this is our previous support that was turned into resistance. Now we are still trading this area as our resistance. We just have to wait and see if the price will be able to break out of diagonal resistance that you see right there and push towards the upside, then retest the level before we witness this type of structure. But today it's Friday, the 29th of April. Everything can happen. I believe next week we could see some of this type of predictions that I've been making. Let me do this. I want us to go through this. Where is that? So I hope you guys can see that I'm on 1 hour time frame. Since I'm on 1 hour time frame, please guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page. Check our description right there below. You will find our info right there. Our handles are there for you to use so that we can see. So that we can communicate, to say. Just a second, I want to sort out this and I'll be with you right in a minute. Yes, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I just had to check if everything is going accordingly on the other side there. Just wanted to check if everything is going accordingly. If my mic is so loud, please let me know on the comments below down there so that I can sort it out. Ladies and gentlemen, it's just 1 minute after the opening session. After the New York opening session, I believe we are about to see the magic. Let us go to the lower time frame and witness our price making those small moves during this opening session. My prediction could be, I hope you guys are able to see that our chart has been giving us or presenting this type of structure. So if what is happening with this? Why is giving me this? What? Okay, left to remove one. I can't work with it. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to see this chart. Okay, let me remove this so that you can see our chart. I hope you guys are able to witness that we are having this type of structure where the price is giving us what we call symmetrical triangle. I hope you guys are able to witness that we are having a symmetrical triangle, and this type of structure is always a continuation of our price. It symbolizes the continuation of our price, but I'm telling you, if the price breaks this diagonal resistance, we just have to witness our price breaking and giving us this type of direction. You can see we are already bullish. I hope you can see we are bullish and we are about to break and retest before we push high. Sometimes we don't have to retest. Sometimes the price doesn't retest. It will just shoot straight to the upside. Sometimes it doesn't retest. It just goes boom. So can you witness this level also? The yellow line right there, it's broken. It is a previous level that we had. So at the moment, ladies and gentlemen, you can comment down below. Let me know what you think of our price. Are you expecting a bullish day, or what are you guys expecting? This is our Nasdaq. You can see we had a fake out. The price was faking us, was selling, then jiggy just went straight up. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Just a second. There we go. There we go. Our price is breaking through. There we go. If you want to be the risk taker, you can place your buys. Allow me to do this. You can place your buys. This is what we could do. Place your stop your stop loss just below the... No man, what is happening? What is wrong with this thing? Look at this. But you know what I like? Every 5 minutes of the opening session, I like to take a break. I just want to sit there and watch what could happen with just watch and wait to see what would happen with our price. But I want you to understand that this is trading. Anything is predictable. Everything is unpredictable, I meant to say. So you can place your buys, and this is your stop loss. This is your first take profit, since well we are more like scalping now. Yeah. So let's just wait and see. You can see the price shows as an undecided. Okay, it's breaking. It's 15 minutes time frame actually. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please like and share the video, also the chat link, so that people can be able to join us in future. You can see there's a undecided doji there. Let me check on something. Just a minute, some batteries are dying here. Let me just switch on. Oh, there's a trouble in paradise. There's trouble in paradise. Okay, I was trying to fix some of my stuff here. Oh, remember I said I'm a director, I'm a producer, I'm an anchor at the same time. So when the channel is having troubles like this, distractions like this, I have to see that I'm sorting them out, and I want to take this moment and I apologize for any inconvenience. Have to apologize for any inconvenience, ladies and gentlemen. DJ Tricks Walker's t-shirt. Let me do this for now. We can see that our price is pushing towards the downside for now. Just have to wait. My camera is flopping now. My camera is showing me flames. My camera is showing me flames now. What is wrong with this? Okay, it seems like I'll have to switch it off. I didn't know my camera lost it. Just a second. Yeah, the distractions that we come across when we are doing this type of work, man. When you do your live streams, now my camera wants to show the behind the scenes now. Nah, come on, it's not time for the behind the scenes yet. Come on, Kim. What? Something I never expected from my cam. Okay, no distractions. We can see the price is about to go our way. That's exactly what we are looking for. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. There we go. Come on, Kim. What's wrong with you? Kim. Almost. There we go. There we go. There we go. Whew. Come on, price. Okay, we are back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. The price seems to go our way. The camera was trying to distract us, was trying to... No weapon formed against us shall prosper. No weapon formed against trendlines trader shall prosper. So we just have to wait and see. Our price is about to push towards the upside. And yes, this is what I want to see, bruh. Let's check on other instruments, your US30, and be able to see what is happening. Wow. This is our US30. We can see that from yesterday. It seems like we are on profit from yesterday's move. Remember, this is a long-term, what we call long-term trades that we opened yesterday. No, it's day before yesterday. These are for the swing trades, yes. When we do swing trading. I hope you guys understand swing trading and scalping. So most of the time you'll find me going with scalping and leave 1 or 2 trades maybe going with swing trading. We can see with our swing trading we are on profit, but we were on profit. The price is still playing around this area. Let's see on a bigger time frame. On a bigger time frame, we can confirm that our price is on bullish trend. I mean bearish trend. That's our bigger time frame. Our price on our US30 on a bigger time frame. You can see that we are on the bearish trend. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to you guys. We can see that on 4-hour time frame, our price is at this level. Just have to wait and see if this is a pullback before our price push towards the upside. The reason why I placed the swing trade here is because of this expanding triangle. I hope you can see this expanding triangle that I see right here. Other than that, we can see we have this type of structure again. This type of pattern. I hope that it makes sense. maybe can make it like this. This is our neckline, and it's been broken. The price is testing. We are about to witness that bullish move. Let me go and check the Nasdaq. Let's check Nasdaq 100. Maybe it can show us something different. Maybe we should expect to see bigger moves than this. Yes, there we go. There we go. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame, and let's witness, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. This is what I want to see, ladies and gentlemen. This is what makes me happy most of the day. We just have to witness if our price will respect or break out of this level. After we break our next target. After we break this one, this will be our next target. Which is possible to hit it. Push on Nasdaq as always. Let me use the horizontal line for this area right here. Let me place it right at the tip. Come on now. Right at the tip of these wings. Why it's opening so many horizontal lines? I just want one, but it gave me this couple of, yeah. We are about to break that level right there. Remember, we are on 30 minutes time frame. As I said, this was our fake. This swing, it was a fake. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the price was pushing. Instead of going towards the downside, the buyers came in and they gave us this type of candlestick pattern where we witness what you call a hammer. Yeah, that's a bullish hammer there. And again, I told you guys that we are having this type of bullish trend. We are having a diagonal support right here. There were a couple of signals to confirm that our price would or could push towards the upside. So at the moment, I will be waiting for the price to break and give us a little pullback and push towards our target. Remember, we're trying to practice this thing of trading for an hour or 15 minutes. After that, we are closing our trades. We don't want to work or trade the whole day. The aim is to have 2 hours of trading, and after that, leave the swing trades do their part while you are living your life, because we have a life to live, man. We can't just sit here the whole day trading, trying to make things happen, but yet trying to make money, and after we don't enjoy the money. We have to enjoy the money also. We have to enjoy the money also. So I'm just looking forward to see if the price will respect this area and push towards the upside. Let's see if it will respect the area there and push towards the upside. I love what I see, ladies and gentlemen. I love what I see. The price is giving me exactly what I asked for. It's doing exactly what I asked for. It's just a little pullback, or it could be our retest, and voila, it can still happen. We still have a lot of time for trading today. If the price can see, remember we are in 30 minutes time frame, and we are left with 27 minutes for the candlestick to close. Can still happen. Can still happen. I hope you guys believe me now, or understand now what I was saying about this triangle. In few minutes ago, I was confirming that we are having a symmetrical triangle, which is always your continuation candle pattern, candlesticks pattern. I hope you guys get to understand your patterns. You need to understand your patterns. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to follow us on Instagram. There's an Instagram handle up there. Please, ladies and gentlemen, we need you guys to like and subscribe to our channel so that our channel grows. Every time when you like, every time when you subscribe, every time when you watch our video, you gaining. I guess you also gaining some information, because there's a lot of information that we trying to place out there for you guys to be able to equip yourself with more information so that you can be profitable on your trading journey. So one thing that I request from you guys is, please don't hesitate to like what you see. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. This is our symmetrical channel, triangle, which shows the continuation. This was bullish. Remember, the price was bullish. If I have to do it like this, you can see the price was bullish, and now the price presented this triangle to us, which is a continuation. Now we are having this is the breakout. This is our retest. From there we are pushing towards the moon. I hope you guys understand that the price, it shows us the bullish signals. These are the type of bullish signals that we always say. People will always say, can you send us a signal? Send us a signal. But here are the simple signals that you come across when you trade live, when you trade, when you practice actually, and read your books. Don't forget to read your books while you trade, ladies and gentlemen. You need to read your books so that you get to understand, so that when you trade live, or when you trade your live account or real money account, You don't go and struggle. You don't go and ask yourself, what should you do? Hey, what is this? What is the meaning of this candlestick? You don't have to ask those questions yourself. Those questions. What you need is read your books, practice every day. Then you will be able to see this type of candlestick patterns. Yes, my chart looks messy, but one thing I can tell you, this is the mess that I understand better. This is our breakout. For now, the price is retesting. Then later we will see the price pushing towards the upside. That one I want you guys to understand. That one I want you guys to keep in mind. This is what is happening. This is exactly what is happening at the moment. Currently, this is a retest. The price might respect this area and push towards the upside. You just have to wait for the next candlestick to see if the price closes above the level. If the price closes above this diagonal area, the next candlestick is gonna be very bullish. Yeah, that's what it is, man. That's what it is. Come on, respect that level. Come on, Nasdaq, respect that level. I command you to respect that level and push towards the upside. I command you now. Respect the level and push towards the upside. That's simple. That's so simple, Nasdaq. You just have to respect that level. Don't break. Don't break now. Respect the level and push towards the upside. Let's look at our US30. Seems like we have the same thing happening here. You just why is this giving me this type of okay, all right, let's see. With US30, just a second, I want to sort this out. Let's see if the price respected the level right here. Just a second. There we go. We're respecting the level, ladies and gentlemen. Just a minute. I will be with you guys right now. Yes, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the price is about to respect that level. You can see it's playing around the level, around that area right there. I can see it's about to respect the level. Come on, respect that level. Push towards the upside. Do we have news today? Let me check if we have news today. What? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is our investing.com and our economic calendar. Remember, on the news, I only do the what you call the high volatile news instead of moderated news, because high volatiles are the ones that are moving the market. As you can see, US, there's no news. Let's go to our CNBC. Currently, it seems like we are bearish. Currently, we are bearish, yes, because the price is about to be retested. The price is about to retest the level. Yes, and now it's about to push towards the upside. This is what the price is presenting to us. After this candlestick, we will see the price pushing towards the upside. Hope you guys understand that. Let's go and see your US markets. Let's see our NASDAQ 100. Come on now. And change. You can see the capacity of bearish companies under the NASDAQ 100. By the judging of my understanding, you can see bullish, it's not as many as bullish companies are not as many as the bearish company. Does that make sense? But one thing for sure, when you go technically, the price seems to be bullish because this is a retest and we're gonna push towards the upside. After retesting this, we're pushing towards the upside. Let's go to the line chart and see what I mean. This is what we could find. This is what we could see. I hope this makes sense. Let me clone this and do it like this. And usually I will use the template of a support zone. So we can see that our price has found the support or respecting the setup. The price is showing us that it's oopsie. Let's go to the price seems to be bullish, as you can see, and now it's about to push towards the upside. You just have to wait and see if it will. Let's check the candlesticks pattern. So candlestick, oh, it's not respecting the level. The candlestick is not closed yet. We just have to see if it will close below or above. It's not respecting yet. It's not respected yet. Let me sit comfortably. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share our videos so that the channel could grow and be able to reach other people. If you find this video informative, please do like and share so that your friends could also find this type of information. I hope that makes sense. It seems like the price doesn't respect the level, doesn't respect that setup that we had there. But one thing for sure, we are still having this type of a support right here. That is at 13,266. Just have to wait and see if the candlestick will close above this level, and we are left with 11 minutes for this candlestick to close. This is our 30 minutes time frame. Seems like our price is reaching the level. Oh God. Remember, you shouldn't trade with high emotions. Try to control your emotions. Every time when you trade, try to sort out your psychology. When it comes to trading, sort out your psychology so that you can be able to stand things like this when you see the price push towards, or it doesn't give you what you expect to see. Sort out your trading psychology. I hope that makes sense. Sort out your emotions so that you don't become emotional. I'm busy eating chocolates, trying to boost my sugar level while I'm sitting here, so that I don't get to sleep, because I should move slowly. Today is Friday the 29th of April 2022, and we are just 20 minutes after 4 p.m. in South African time frame. We are trading NASDAQ 100 live. Wow, man, I should have placed the sell there. But anyway, should have, could have, won't help. What will help me is to wait and see if the price gives me another signal. I believe this is a long week in the bigger time frame. Let's go to 2-hour time frame and see. I told you, look at that rejection. The sellers are in control, man. The sellers are in control now. The sellers are in control, but the price still respects the setups. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. That the sellers are in control, but the price still respects the setups. Let's go to bigger time frame so that you can be able to see some of we are on the bearish trend, and we are scalping 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame. We want to see if the price will push towards this diagonal resistance, over here, and we having a support around here. So, but one thing that I want you guys to be aware of, the price could still break and push towards this area right here, because this area previously it's our area demand. I hope it makes sense. It's area of demand. I hope this makes sense. We can see that this is our area of demand, this area right here. So what we expect is to see the price in a bigger time frame, to see the price respecting this level and change the direction. So this is for hourly time frame. In 4-hourly time frame, we could see our price giving us this type of structure before we say we push towards the upside. This is an inverted head and shoulder type of chart pattern. We could see our price pushing towards the upside because it broke out of this neckline. Since well, this looks more like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. I hope that makes sense. For example, we could have had those inverted head and shoulder patterns somewhere here, but the price didn't give us the pattern. It continued with this type of momentum towards the downside. You can see we had our lower low, lower low, lower low, and here the price gave us a lower low. Actually, with this level, the price gave us your bearish, your bearish flag. This is our pole, bearish flag, and price continued to push towards the downside. You can see it respected the level. We ended up having a support around this level. This is the same level that we are at the moment. Currently we are at this level, previous support. So previous support was turned into resistance. This level was previously respected as a support. Price broke, came as a resistance, pushed towards the downside, broke, and support, previous support, retested a couple of times. Now we are about to see the price pushing towards the upside. This is my prediction. We will see that in any moment. I mean, actually, especially next week. Just a second, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, where is our price going? Or did I left? I left it to hit those markings there. Let's go to the lower time frame and be able to see. Whoa. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, the price seems bearish. That's an engulfing candlestick, man. That's an engulfing candlestick. Actually, our stop loss was hit. Remember, one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind: when you trade, never move your stop loss. Let's say as we witness the price push towards our stop loss and we start moving our stop loss lower away from the price, never do that. Just leave it where it was so that you can start making new analysis, start to regroup and yeah man, make new analysis. Do not move your stop loss, because when you move it, you are intentionally willing to lose more. But you have to make sure that you make calculations before you place your trades. One thing that you should remember is that when you place a trade, don't move your stop loss, because that's risk management. That's a proper risk management. When we talk about use proper risk management, it's something like that. It's something that I'm talking about now, that don't move your stop loss. Let the price hit it. That's the price. That's your price. That's the price you were willing to lose initially. So now when you move your stop loss, it means you have changed your mind. You are going for more. You want to lose more than what you were initially planning to lose. One thing that I see about that candlestick right there is that the big money, they were pushing the price towards that stop loss of mine. So I don't have to move the stop loss. If this is my stop loss, this is my calculation that the price might not reach the level, then it's fine. If it reaches, it's fine. Have to wait and see if it respects the diagonal resistance. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Let's check our US30. Today I haven't checked gold. Let's see what's happening with gold. Gold seems like there's a breakout of our previous structure there. Let's move to the bigger time frame and be able to see where is gold at. Where gold is exactly. Yeah, that's a breakout. One thing I always keep in mind is that when gold is bullish, your Nasdaq is bearish. When gold is bearish, your Nasdaq will be bullish. Then, like what I see, there was the structure here, there was a demand area here, there was this support zone here. Now it seems like gold broke out of it and retested and broke back inside. What does that mean? It means now we have to witness gold retesting before it pushed towards the upside. This price will be respected now. That is a fake break, I guess. That is a fake break. Any structure that I see here, this area, it's a support. Just have to wait and see if it retests before it pushed towards the upside. So this means to us that Nasdaq 100. In 4-hour time frame, this is what we have. I'm gonna delete all these drawings and reanalyze. In 4-hour time frame, we can see that our price, this is our support. Seems like in 4-hour time frame we had a fake out and the price is about to push towards the downside. Let's go to the line chart and be able to see something. That's our overall resistance, and this is our small resistance that we have to break and see, is it an inter or ante? What inter? I think it's inter. I'll get the name for it. Inter trend line. Intercount trend line. Okay, so we can see that our price was giving us this type of structure lately or previously. We were having your previous support and now resistance, support and resistance structure, where the price was respecting the levels. So right now I'm asking myself, this cannot be. Let me use the rectangles. So this is what I see now. I hope you guys are able to see. Hope you guys are able to see that the price respected the area couple of times. This is where the price was making some of movements. Same thing as this level, as you can see. So you can see the price will always continue respecting the levels, man. You just have to see that. Let's go to candlesticks so that you can be able to see some of wings where the price is respecting the level. I hope this makes sense to you now, that the price respected the levels. As you can see, the price was respecting the levels a couple of times. Does it make sense? And here is another level where the price respected. How did I miss this one? Aye, man. This is what You see the price was respecting the levels. So at the moment, one thing I can tell you is this: if the price respects this level tonight, if the price respect the level tonight or today, this afternoon, you can see our price break and push towards this area. That's my prediction for the price future at the moment. I hope this makes sense to you guys. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing there when I'm making those charts, those channels. You can see that the price is pushing. You can see that the price is pushing towards your downside. That's the bearish line there. Please don't forget to subscribe, ladies and gentlemen, and follow us on Instagram, also on YouTube, so that we can be able to grow the channel. This is our double top. I foresee a head and shoulder type here, inverted head and shoulder here. I hope this will make sense to you guys in the future. I hope it will make sense to you guys in the future. If you don't see what I mean, just comment on the comments down below so that I get to respond to you what I mean, why I'm saying I foresee the head and shoulder type of a vibe, type of a pattern, I meant to say. What's with me and a vibe? It's Friday in South Africa, by the way. Yes. So we are still awaiting to witness the price breaking this level before we push towards the upside. Let me erase this. I want it to be your so this is what I predict for the price in future. Actually, what I can say is that during next week, this is what will happen during next week, because today I don't see our price moving very volatile. Like, you know, Fridays usually Mondays and Fridays are usually not days for trading because your price is not that volatile during those days. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame and reset the chart. I'm gonna remove the head and shoulder for now. Come on, did I lock it? No. So let's do the 15-minute time frame scalping now. Analysis now. We can see we are having this channel here. As we are having this channel, the price is bullish. So we are waiting to see the price respecting this level and push towards the upside. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Just waiting to witness the price respecting the level and push towards the upside. Patiently waiting to see if this candle sticks. One thing that I want you to be aware of, another thing that I want you to be aware of is this type of candlesticks patterns. You can see that our price is losing momentum. This is exactly what was, okay, this was a rejection actually. But this candlesticks, the price was bearish with big candlesticks. Now it seems like it's losing momentum. We just have to wait and see if we might have this type of bullish candlestick with a long wick maybe. Then we will be able to confirm that the price has been respecting the level.